I got sent the coolest 3D print design for my keycaps.
Your boy Jason sent me over this 5080 Founders Edition keycap for my shift key, and this looks really cool. Thank you so much.
On that note, I really have to get better at setting light goals. I only asked for 1.2. 3.7, really. But no more waffling. It's time to send it over to the 3D printer and let her get to work. While we wait for it to print, let's do something fun. Let's have a Q&A, I guess. Ask me a question in the comments. Outside being a PC enthusiast, 3D printing is my new favorite thing. I have a 5080 shift key. This is so cool. But does it fit? Oh boy. Yeah, about that. Apparently I suck at this.